The most effective content marketing strategies incorporate various types of content, allowing companies to reach users at different stages throughout the buying journey. While you may be providing an ample amount of written content for your site visitors, you might be missing one crucial component: video. Increasingly important in today's digital landscape, video content allows for rapid learning of complex information while providing an interactive, engaging user experience. Here are 4 of the most compelling reasons to start incorporating video into your content marketing campaign. If you're not making use of videos in your marketing strategy, you're at risk of falling behind in the industrial B2B world. Today, companies across all industries are providing video content, and those who aren't are essentially signaling that they're out of step with current trends and user needs. According to HubSpot, 500 million hours worth of videos are watched on YouTube every day. Users are increasingly seeking out engaging, easy to access watchable content. A recent Animoto study showed that 4 times as many consumers would rather watch a video about a product than read about it. Ideal for sharing on various platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, videos consistently outperform text-based updates on social media platforms. In fact, a recent HubSpot study found that video is 40 times more likely to be shared on social media than any other form of content. That's because the average human processes visuals faster than text. Think to how you scroll through your own personal Facebook feed. Do you notice you spend more time on images and videos? The overall goal of content marketing, of course, is to provide directly relevant, useful information to prospects in order to convert them into customers, and videos are proving to be highly effective in achieving that goal. According to a recent study, 77% of consumers reported that they've been convinced to buy a product or service based on a video. Unlike written content, videos allow you to showcase your brand character and team personality, making it easier to connect with people on a personal level and establish trust. More and more B2B companies are realizing the benefits of offering video content, positioning themselves as modern, knowledgeable brands with an eye on consumer preferences and technological trends. If you're not making use of videos in your content marketing campaign, you might be losing out on valuable leads. In today's increasingly fast-paced digital world, users want to be able to access informative, engaging content quickly and efficiently, and videos allow for easy watching on the go or in the office. Hundreds of thousands of manufacturers engage with industrial B2B buyers on thomasnet.com, and some incorporate videos in their business listing. In case you didn't already know, it's free to list your business on Thomasnet. Ready to get started with a video marketing campaign? Thomas can help. Through our video promotion campaign solution, we help industrial businesses create persuasive, professional, and highly engaging videos to promote new products and services, highlight specific product lines, and spread the word about your unique company capabilities and experience. Thanks for watching.